In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your live location on Snapchat. You can simply hide your location even when you don't have Snapchat open. To do this, simply open up your Snapchat. Head into your Maps section. On your map, tap on the settings icon on your upper right corner of the screen. On your settings page, scroll down onto this option right here. Enable Hide My Live Location on. When enabled, your Snapchat friends won't see your current location when Snapchat is not opened. That's how easy it is to not allow Snapchat to access your current location when Snapchat app is closed. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.